Clipboard, full recipe. Tropical drink, strawberry mint lemonade. 1. Ingredients. 1 cup fresh strawberries. 2 lemons. 1 handful of fresh mint leaves. 2 cups cold water. 2 tablespoons honey or sugar, to taste. Ice cubes. 2. Instructions. 1. In a blender, combine strawberries, peeled and chopped lemons, mint, water, and honey. 2. Strain the mixture to get a smooth drink. 3. Serve the lemonade with ice, garnished with lemon slices and fresh strawberries. Dinner, creamy spinach chicken pasta. 1. Ingredients. 2 chicken breasts, sliced. 1 tablespoon butter. 2 cups fresh spinach. 1 cup heavy cream. ½ cup grated Parmesan cheese. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 200 grams pasta, fettuccine or penne. Salt and pepper to taste. 2. Instructions. 1. Cook the pasta in salted boiling water until al dente. 1. Drain and set aside. 2. In a skillet over medium heat, melt the butter and add the chicken slices. 2. Cook until golden. 3. Add minced garlic and sauté for a few seconds, then add the spinach until it wilts. 4. Pour in the heavy cream and grated Parmesan, allowing the sauce to thicken. 5. Add the cooked pasta and toss until well combined with the creamy sauce. 6. Serve hot with an extra sprinkle of Parmesan cheese.